in first attempt I had scored 535 marks, but unfortunately my biology syllabus is not completed at that time. Then after that, there is a one proposal came is I have to give interview in Kota Vidyapith. Then they take interview of mine means how's my level. Then they give 50% off.
I'm going to shoot this video with Ritesh Bhai. He has cleared NEET exam. When you are a student or learner, this episode would be very beneficial for you because in this episode we are going to learn everything about NEET, study, a lot of things. So let's watch this video.
Hello Ritesh Bhai, how are you?
Yes, I am fine, sir. Thanks for asking. What's for you?
I'm also good. So please tell me something about yourself.
Sir, I am Ritesh Vishwakarma. I am from Uttar Pradesh, near Varanasi. And last year I had completed my 12th, and this year I had cracked the NEET UG examination. And I had scored 676 marks in NEET 24. And my rank is about 10,773. And I am very happy. And I want to be a doctor to serve my nation. That is my greatest achievement in my life.
Oh, very nice. So congratulations again, Ritesh Bhai.
Thanks, sir. Thanks, sir.
And I have learned a lot from you. I admire your intelligence. So yeah. So we decided we will make video, and this video would be very beneficial for that person who are preparing NEET, who want to prepare NEET.
Because I want also to become what you say socialized, and that's why I also appreciate you. Thanks for your watching.
So Ritesh Bhai, first of all, I want to know how was your NEET journey?
Sir, my NEET journey is both means struggle also and fun also. Means struggle is that, sir, means some topics is not helpful to means it is not better understanding, but due to struggle I had done so much struggle, and I take so much doubt in my faculty, because you know that I am visit in Kota for Kota Vidyapith. I had taken admission in last year, and after May, after first attempt, in first attempt I had scored 535 marks, but unfortunately my biology syllabus is not completed at that time. Then after that there is one proposal came is I have to give interview in Kota Vidyapith. Then they take interview of mine means how is my level. Then they give 50% off in their coaching. That's helped me too much means at their cheap money I had to take admission and started journey. And means fun is like that, some topics is amazing and I indulge whole day today. Means today you know that like biology things, physiology, it's amazing topic, and some physics topic like I just say like I love ray optics too much in class 12, because it's so logical and it's so helpful to increase your conceptual thing. And like chemistry is also good, but inorganic caused me so many problems, like not memorable, like but I can done, and I had struggled so much. That is my journey.
Oh, interesting. Bhai, you belong from Hindi medium or CBSE board?
Yes, I am from CBSE board, sir.
Okay. So who are preparing from Hindi medium, so do you have any advice from that person, like how they can sit there field, like on YouTube there is a maximum videos are available in English language, I think English studies.
Yes, sir. Sir, I think English is also important, and you should also learn so much English, because after 12th you have to tackle so many interviews in your life. But that is the reason, if you start preparing in initial days, like after 12th, then and you take also preparation. I think in YouTube there is no any Hindi medium coaching of NEET only, I know. But there is some people, not everyone, but majority of them are English, and they teach in English medium. But in my point of view, sir, you should focus in English also from initial stage, like in your journey starting. Like I'm also preparing for English right now.
Got it. We should make our timetable also, or only I should focus on daily schedule. What is your point of view? What is your
Yeah.
opinion?
Sir, but I I means tell truth that means I not made any timetable, but my means sleeping schedule and waking up schedule is fixed, and my lunch time and my dinner time is fixed. That is the reason means my mind is means my mind is work what to say very good at the time of day life and first of all, so you should not make any schedule like at 9:30 you should that 10:30 and like that because if you not done at the time then you feel regret then your whole day become not fruitful okay what I do I waste my time then in my point of view sir you should take proper sleep and in correct time like I used to go bed at 11 p.m and wake up 5 a.m. After that, sir, I do yoga also. Means in my schedule there is yoga also for 20 minutes only. Then after that yoga, then after yoga means you have to take some fresh and then after that you should start a study. And you should take lunch at a fixed time, not any means fluctuation happen. If happen, then your mind is disturbed. That is my point, sir. And I not make any timetable in my journey. I just focus my study and main thing was if you do revision daily means after taking class if you go any offline classes then at the evening there is I think 2 hours you should means make and for that revision purpose and in morning you should take your what you say in further study or further revision previous topic that is my routine daily I not make any fixed schedule.
Okay, okay, got it. So Ritesh bhai, I want to know how to study physics, chemistry, biology. How you are studying that time when you are preparing?
In my point of view, sir, in majority people, first of all, they start doing biology very deeply, but they don't know कि in NEET only in NCERT will come. But they study so much in initial state, they not focus physics, chemistry. But it require practice and so many things to have remembered. In means I just study daily physics, biology also, but max to max 2 hours per. That's all. And in I think 6 hours I do study physics, chemistry and in physics chemistry I do numerical along with the theoretical thing and in biology I just read ncert and focus only ncert and after that when it reach what you say march then after march I should revise my biology daily basis I only read biology not any physics chemistry because I know physics chemistry concept is well because of in last 6 months or 7 months I just study continuously daily and you become concept good and your all the thing become memorized but in biology you should learn so many time and you should forget because it's mind process you can't remember but in my point of view sir you should give a test at the last point because you know that I am a good student in my quota also means in Vidyapit then they offer me some what you say some batches in which there is 25 students only and of that student in last 1 month there is a daily test of full syllabus that helped me so much and at that time after test I will read only biology no anything physics not and not any chemistry but I should see the my what is my mistake in paper and I go through that topic only bus that's why and my biology I should revise whole day at the last moment.
And you got very good marks. So I want to know what was your daily schedule?
My daily schedule is like I devoted my 14 hours per day along with coaching classes. Means my coaching classes is 6 hours and after that my what to say my self study is 8 hours per day. And in 8 hours per day, I just revise my coaching classes and along with that some further study. Like if I know some topic, then I should revise earlier time before the class. That is my concept and my daily schedule is like not any means very much what you say very means very fixed. It's only not fixed, but it's not very fluctuation also. But little bit fixed fluctuation happen, but it's regular only. Not only any fluctuation. But I should give my is that one point that after test will happen on Sunday daily, means Sunday. Then after test at evening time, after giving test, I should watch one movie per day on Sunday only.
Okay.
Hmm.
So Ritesh bhai, when I was in 12th class, so I faced too much difficulties in physics formula and chemistry reaction. So what is your strategy to study formula, numerical, derivation, reaction? I want to know.
First of all, I also tackle this problem how. You know that there's a sticky note is in market, and I use so too much them because in my study table I just paste my formula along with that concept sum, and I can
Hmm.
also share the pic of my table. You can also show the audience, and I will share to you. Then you will see how I pasted my all the formulas in only room only. And you know that
Okay.
after pasting you should saw daily, because if you do here and there after, then you should definitely see something and you should revise anything. That is my main point key how I learn my chemistry equation along with the formula of physics.
Very good. And do you know, I had a one friend. His maximum time is studying biology. He's studying physics, chemistry very less. So what do you think? He's doing good or he's doing not good? Like, what is your opinion? You are also studying too much biology in your
No,
learning journey.
biology is also important, but you should study maximum 2 hours per day in initial time. But you should devote so many time in physics chemistry, because physics chemistry concept required numerical thing. And if you study too much, then you get numerical. You should able to solve. And in biology, you just go through and you memorize all the thing. If you go any concept, and in last moment, you should read daily, not any escape any day. That is my point.
Got it. Very good. So, when did you think first time like you will have to become a doctor? There was any incident happen?
Yes, sir. When I was in class 9th, then there is some news in my locality their children become doctor and like that. Then my father also got this message. Then he said me ki, like that you should also do, and he not pressurized me, but he gave me opportunity, and they also start focusing my study at that time. That is a main ambition, and I started my journey at that time. And at that time, I studied too much biology in 9th, 10th, and then I realized that only biology is not required. Physics, chemistry is also required to get such number like me.
When we study, so after some time we face some distraction, we are not able to consistent. So what is the solution of this problem? How you are very consistent?
Oh, sir, means if I get distracted and sometime not able to focus on my study, then I just call my parents and my family, and they give energize and it give motivation at that time. That is my motivation. What is a source of my family only? Only family call just for max to max. If demotivated so much, then I should talk to 1 hour per day, like per day 1 hour. Then give me motivation. What is condition in my house, and then after that they also motivate me. That is main ambition. That is main point in my stress removal.
Very
That is
interesting. So which post you are going to choose? Now you have clear NEET exam.
yes. I after that MBBS I do means NEET PG. After that NEET PG I want to be specialist in neuroscience, like neurologist.
Oh, why do you want to be neurologist?
Because you know that sir, in our India there is a less quantity of doctor which is neurologist, and it is required also. That's my main point. I know it is hard, but I can do. I can able to do, because it required only hard work. If you do hard work, then nothing is possible. And main point is my family is supporting. That is main support. I can do anything.
Exactly. Who are preparing NEET exam, who want to enter in NEET exam, so So what is your advice for them?
Means enter in exam. I think, sir, it's better to join 11th class in foundation. And I think at that time we can get so many knowledge in option also get, but you know that if you initially do study, then you got first rank. There is more chance of that. Who has got first rank? But you know that there is some mystery happen. From physics wala, there is one guy from Bihar. He is a dropper online class. They get first rank in NEET this year. I think there is mystery changes. That is my point. And if you start any competitive exam, then first of all you not study that subject key it is which is majority question come. I think sir, every question is important, every chapter is important. And I know that some people are leave the what you say like ray optics, what you say rolling motion, rotational motion they left because they not able to understand. But in my point of view, sir, if easy question come, then what can you do?
Right.
I think every chapter is important.
Did you do any mistake? Which mistake you would like to highlight? Like many person who are preparing NEET exam, they will not do again. Would you like
Because
to?
first of all, calculation is accurate. You should you increase your calculation efficiency. After that, you should read question properly. Like if you read, because some mistake happen like not, and you should not read not. In question there is a written not, but you not understanding, means you not read not. That is biggest happening. And main point OMR is also should be feel like accurately. Like me, I had also done this year mistake. One question I had mistaken, and due to one question I had missed two questions. Only for that, and otherwise I will get 686. Due to unfortunately I'll get 676.
So when you are giving mock test,
Mock tests.
yeah.
Means mock test. My started in coaching. I think at November last. Course mock test started, and it's given, and there is all India test also. AITS paper is also started at I think October, I think, and then it is helpful because mock test if you give, because you know that some people are studying, they're not giving paper, they're not giving any test. But if you not give any paper, then how can you determine your level, where I am falling?
So Ritesh bhai, are you using any social media like Instagram, Facebook, any application? Social media?
No, sir, because I doesn't like any Insta, any Facebook, but I use Telegram my study material and some WhatsApp for communication. That is my social media thing. Because if you start any media and it's into Instagram, because I also started in class 9th or 10th, but in my study there is some issue happen, because you think how many follower increase, how many like happen, then it's your mind only distracted. That is why I not installed since 2 year or more than 2 year by that application Insta or and I'm also not using, you know that in MBBS we should require so many so many book we have to read, and consistency also important. That's why I'm not installed any Insta or any FB right now also, because I know that it's consume matter.
Good. Okay, Ritesh bhai, thank you very much for joining this session.
Okay, sir. I am also grateful to talk with you, sir, and I am also good share my life, and I think it's a good session to